You know what's interesting about the moment we are in right now? The rules changed, but most people have not noticed yet. At the recent NVIDIA's GTC event, Jensen Huang put up a chart. 3 lines. GitHub stars on one axis, years on the other axis. Simple chart, but what it reveals will shake you. What is GitHub, by the way? Let me explain. Because without it, none of these numbers will land. GitHub is the global headquarters for developers. They share code there, build tools, and collaborate on software that runs the world. When a developer gives GitHub start to a project, they cast a public vote of confidence. They tell the entire community this is worth your attention. GitHub stars are not vanity metrics. When a project earns a significant amount of stars, the GitHub community, millions of developers worldwide, has viewed it and backed it. That is earned credibility, real trust. So 3 lines. Linux, an operating system founded by Linus Torvalds in 1991, it became the backbone of the modern internet. Servers, smartphones, the cloud, almost all of it runs on Linux today. Time to reach 250,000 GitHub stars? 30 years. Now React, an open source tool built by Meta in 2013 that transformed how developers design and build websites. Millions of engineers use this every single day. Time to reach 250,000 stars? About 10 years. Both are generational projects. Both took the better part of a career to earn the level of trust from the global developer community. Now, OpenClaw, an AI agent founded by Peter Steinberg in 2026, noted as the first billion-dollar company with a single founder. Time to reach 250,000 GitHub stars? 60 days. Yes, 60 days, not 30 years, not 10 years, 60 days. No project in the history of technology has moved that fast, not once. On that chart, it does not just rise, it shoots straight up, a red scar on the right edge of the graph. Not a stroke of luck, it's a signal about the speed of the world we now compete in. For decades, credibility followed a predictable path. You showed up, you shipped, you earned trust over time. The best builders compounded their reputation year after year. That model rewarded patience and consistency. That model still works, but no longer has the control on outcomes. Technology compounds on itself right now at a pace most leaders have not fully internalized. Each wave of tools makes the next wave faster and more capable. Builders today access capabilities that did not exist 2 years ago, not marginally better capabilities, dramatically more powerful ones. Here is what it means for your business. If a project can match 30 years of Linux credibility in 60 days, a competitor you have never heard of will match your decade of earned trust before you can put up a fight. They will not need your capital, your headcount, your brand equity, or your history. They just need the right tools and the right timing. The moat you spent years building still has value. Customer relationships, institutional knowledge, those things matter, but they no longer guarantee the runway you once counted on. And here's the part that should keep you up at night. You will not see it coming. You will open your laptop one morning, check the news, and discover that the category you owned now belongs to someone who did not exist 60 days ago. The customers you spent years acquiring will move, not because they stopped trusting you, but because something faster, cheaper, and built for today showed up and turned your competitive edge into a liability. That is what irrelevance looks like now, not a slow fade, a vertical line. Disruption stopped announcing itself with press releases. It shows up as a red vertical line on a chart. And by the time you see it, it has actually claimed your ground. OpenClaw is one data point, but this is a loud one. It's a reason to look up from your roadmap and ask whether you still understand the pace of the game you are playing. Jensen Huang showed us the chart. OpenClaw did not ask for permission. It arrived without warning, shot straight up, and claimed 250,000 trust signals before most people had even heard the name. The leaders who shape what comes next will not be the ones who move the fastest. They will be the ones who recognize the signal before it became someone else's advantage.